Well, this is very interesting. It's a story that's been going around for a little while, but it looks like now Filipe Massa is actually going to sue the FIA, F1 and Bernie Ecclestone because of the 2008 Singapore Grand Prix crash, which he says cost him his world title. So he's looking for around $80 million in damages from the FIA, Formula One and Bernie Ecclestone over the Crashgate scandal. Massa was leading in 2008 Grand Prix in Singapore when Nelson Piquet intentionally crashed to help his Renault teammate Fernando Alonso win the race. The former driver's representatives have said that they have filed legal action in the London High Court on Monday. Formula One management and the FIA have declined to comment to Sky News, who contacted them to find out what they thought about the whole situation. Law firm Vieira Rezendi said in a statement that had the FIA acted properly, Mr. Massa would have won the Drivers' Championship that year. They go on to say, Mr. Massa also seeks damages for the significant financial loss he has suffered due to the FIA's failure, in which Mr. Ecclestone and FOM were also complicit. Mr. Ecclestone has admitted there was enough information in time to investigate the matter in 2008 and cancelled the race in Singapore. Mr. Ecclestone further affirmed that had the results of 2008 Singapore Grand Prix been cancelled, Filipe Massa would have become world champion, and that Mr. Massa was cheated out of the title he deserves. They attempt to find an amicable resolution have been unsuccessful, leaving Mr. Massa with no choice but to initiate legal proceedings. Recent events naturally demonstrate that issues of transparency and integrity in Formula One remain relevant, and it is clear that serious work is needed to restore its credibility and long-term future. Now, of course, this does have impacts on other drivers. It impacts, of course, Lewis Hamilton, but also Lewis Hamilton, if the FIA have declined to comment on the situation, and one of the reasons I think is because they don't want to stir up a hornet's nest. Because I'm not saying that he would, but if Felipe Massa won this case, then Lewis Hamilton would have a good case to claim his 8th world title, which was, many people think, taken away from him. So this could open a whole can of worms should the situation fall in favour of Felipe Massa. Let me know down in the comment section what you think. Is this all water under the bridge and Felipe Massa should just forget about it? Or do you think that actually he's right to go to court over this and that other miscarriages of justice should be taken into account as well by other drivers like Lewis Hamilton? Let me know down in the comment section what you think.